Hello, I'm Leo. I came to CGV to watch movie. This is Cine Foret. I've heard this has a cozy atmosphere like a forest. I like all kinds of movies, especially action movies, such as Avengers, Spider-Man, and so on. That's because it's exciting. So, it helps me relieve my stress. I booked a movie ticket in advance through the app. Then I can sit wherever I want. When I watch a movie, I don't drink any popcorn. I don't want to go to the bathroom in the middle, so I use the bathroom in advance. There are some tables and chairs. If you come out on time, you have to go right in. But if you come early, you can rest here for a while. Here it is. Stay calm and enjoy. There's oxygen, grass, and reindeer moss. Let's go inside. These are private seats. The walls are decorated with forest. It's like being in a forest. There are large seats and private tables. Let me lie down. It's comfortable. It feels like I'm in a nature concept camping trip. This is Cine Foret. Thank you.